Today, we're diving into a complete DuroMax generator setup project, perfect for homeowners, DIYers, and anyone seeking reliable backup power. We'll unbox a brand new unit, customize a 50-amp power cord, and prepare everything for a dedicated generator shed. This real-world guide covers steps essential for home backup, RV use, or a worksite. Let's start by unboxing this DuroMax generator. Inside, you'll find the main unit, wheels, handles, and a set of basic tools for assembly. We'll also discover the owner's manual, oil funnel, and spark plug wrench. This initial look highlights the robust build quality and thoughtful design, making it clear this unit is built for durability. The accessories and components provided offer a comprehensive start to getting your generator ready. Pay attention to the instruction manual. It contains crucial details for initial setup and safe operation. This first impression confirms the DuroMax reputation for practical, high-performance equipment. Next, we tackle modifying a heavy-duty 50-amp power cord, a critical step for our specific generator shed setup. Standard cords may not always fit unique electrical configurations. Customizing allows for optimal performance and secure connections to your transfer switch or inlet box. This process involves carefully adjusting the cord's length and potentially re-terminating one end with a specific type of connector. We'll ensure the modifications align perfectly with the shed's electrical system, maintaining a strong, reliable power link. Proper tools and precise measurements are key to a successful and safe modification. Our generator shed serves two main purposes: protecting the unit from the elements and mitigating noise. It provides a secure, ventilated space that extends the generator's lifespan and maintains neighborly peace. We'll discuss the setup's general layout for weather resistance and sound dampening. When working with 50-amp loads, safe wiring practices are paramount. We'll cover the importance of proper gauge wire, secure connections, and correct phasing. Understanding the specifics of connectors, plugs, and cable adjustments ensures that high-amp power delivery is both efficient and safe. Always prioritize safety in all electrical work. Preparing your generator for reliable use extends beyond the initial setup. Long-term maintenance is crucial. Regular checks of oil levels, fuel quality, and air filters will keep your DuroMax running smoothly. A well-maintained generator is a ready generator. Periodically test the unit under a load to ensure all systems are functioning correctly. Store it with fresh, stabilized fuel and keep the battery charged if applicable. These simple steps ensure your generator is always prepared to provide power when you need it most. Setting up a generator properly, from unboxing to custom cord modifications and shed integration, ensures reliable backup power. We've covered the practical steps to get your DuroMax unit ready for service, emphasizing safety and efficiency throughout. Whether for home, RV, or worksite, these steps will help you achieve a robust power solution. Remember, always follow electrical codes, manufacturer instructions, and local regulations. If you are unsure about any wiring modifications or electrical work, please consult a licensed electrician. Your safety and the proper functioning of your system are always the top priority.